In today's video, I'll show you how to add and remove page breaks in Google Docs. Page breaks are a simple way to start a new page instantly without having to hit the Enter key over and over again. This is an invaluable skill when you're formatting documents and need that polished professional look. Let's jump right in and make your document management more efficient. To start, if you want to insert a page break, you'll need to first decide where exactly you want that new page to begin. Place your cursor at this precise point in your document. Once your cursor is in place, head over to the top menu bar in your Google Docs window. You're going to click on the Insert menu. A drop-down list will appear, and from there, you'll want to navigate down to where it says Break. Click on Break, and you'll see another option for Page Break pop up. Simply click on Page Break, and you'll see your document immediately shift, inserting that clean break right where you wanted it. For those who love shortcuts, there's a quicker way to achieve this. If you're using a Windows PC, the shortcut Control+Enter will do the trick. Mac users, you haven't been left out either. Simply press Command+Enter. It's these small shortcuts that can save you time and keep your workflow streamlined as you juggle multiple tasks. Now let's move on to the opposite task, removing a page break. Maybe you've realized a break was inserted by mistake, or a content change requires removing one. Don't worry, it's just as simple as adding them. All you need to do is position your cursor at the very start of the page that follows the break. Once there, press the backspace key. You'll notice how instantly the break vanishes and the pages merge beautifully together again. Alternatively, if you prefer, you can place the cursor at the end of the page that precedes the break and then hit backspace. Watch as your cursor jumps back, and it's as though that page break never existed. And there you have it. Page breaks can greatly enhance the readability of your documents without cluttering them with numerous line breaks. It's a small tweak, but one that lends an air of professionalism to anything you're drafting. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit the bell icon so you never miss our latest tutorials. We aim to make your tech life easier with clear, concise guides like this one. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.